Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside, and it's pitch black. No sunrise. No warm light creeping over the horizon. Just a never-ending night. What if the sun suddenly disappeared for just 24 hours? Would Earth freeze solid? Would people panic? Would we all just die? First, let's be clear, we're talking about the sun vanishing. Poof, gone. But only for one day. After 24 hours, it pops back like nothing happened. Sounds simple, right? But here's the thing. Earth doesn't just need the sun for light. It also keeps us warm, gives plants energy, controls weather, and basically makes life possible. Take it away, and things get weird. Fast. Hour 1. Pure confusion. People would probably think it's an eclipse at first. But when scientists realize the sun is completely gone, not just blocked, panic spreads worldwide. Social media would explode. Stock markets crash. Conspiracy theories everywhere. The sky? It wouldn't go fully black right away. You'd see stars, sure. But for a few minutes, Earth would still glow faintly because sunlight takes 8 minutes to get here. After that, total darkness. Hour 2 to 6, temperatures start dropping. Without sunlight, the Earth keeps radiating heat into space, but nothing's warming it back up. In just 6 hours, temperatures in many places could fall by 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Hour 6 to 12, chaos on the move. Animals would freak out. Birds rely on the sun to navigate. Whales and turtles use it to migrate. Entire ecosystems would be thrown off. Farmers? They'd worry about crops. No sunlight means no photosynthesis. Shrugging. But the real trouble? Weather. Sunlight drives winds, storms, and ocean currents. Without it, air starts cooling unevenly. Storms stall. Winds slow. Our entire climate machine goes quiet. Hour 12 to 18, getting dangerously cold. By this point, average global temperatures might drop 20 degrees Fahrenheit or more. In deserts, where nights are already freezing, temperatures could plummet below zero. Power grids strain to keep people warm. Food delivery, already panicked, starts failing. Night animals like owls and bats would think they hit the jackpot. Humans? Not so much. Hour 18 to 24, the big chill. Here's the wild part. Even after 24 hours, Earth wouldn't be an ice cube yet. The oceans hold a ton of heat, so they act like giant thermal blankets. Scientists estimate it would take weeks of darkness before we froze solid. So one day of no sun wouldn't kill us outright. But the psychological impact? Immense. Imagine billions of people spending a whole day thinking the sun might never come back. And then, after 24 hours of darkness, chaos, and cold, boom, the sun reappears. People cheer. Churches fill. Scientists breathe again. Life slowly returns to normal. But climate patterns? They'd be messed up for weeks. Crops? Many would die. Animals would be confused for months. And people would never forget the day the sun blinked off. So yeah, we'd survive one day without the sun. But it would remind us how fragile life is, and how much we depend on that one star, 93 million miles away, that never takes a break. So, what would you do if the sun vanished for a day? Hide under blankets? Party under the stars? Tell us in the comments. And hey, if you love crazy science, what ifs, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more mind-bending questions about our universe.